Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to PMDC Online Lecture Room. Hello everyone, this is Sabir Amin lecturing computer science. Hope you are all will be fit and fine at home. Today our topic is about hardware and software and what are their main differences. So first of all, hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer. Computer hardware is any part of the computer that we can touch. The term hardware refers to mechanical devices that makes up computer. Computer hardware consists of interconnected electronic devices that we can use to control computer operations, input and output. Examples of hardware in a computer are hard disk, casing, motherboard, video card, sound card, power supply, RAM, keyboard, mouse. Any mechanical devices that we can see is said to be a hardware. Hardware. Computer hardware is a collection of several components working together. Some parts are essential and others are added advantages. Computer hardware is made up of CPU and peripherals as shown. Keyboard, mouse are input devices, monitor, printer, speaker are output devices. We can also add some other type of input devices and also output devices. For example, we can add input devices like joystick, uh, like we have different types of scanner, etc. The same way we can add other types of devices like barcode, etc. CPU, HDD, hard drive, CD, RAM, these are also components of hardware. So, software is a collection of instructions, procedures, documentation that perform different tasks on a computer system, or the set of programs or instructions that enable the computer to do something and operate the hardware. We can say also computer software is a programming code executed on a computer processor. The code can be machine level code or the code written for an operating system. Examples of software are as given below: MS Office, Windows, Counter-Strike, PUBG, VLC, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, MS Office. We have different types of software. Now, what are the main differences between hardware and software? By definition, hardware is a set of physical parts of computer which actually execute the instruction, while software is a program or set of instructions which are to be executed by CPU to do the intended task. So what are the main differences? The main difference is hardware is a set of physical parts and software is a set of instructions. By development, hardware is manufactured in factories, while software is developed and engineered by software development companies. The nature of hardware is physical, while the nature of software is logical, functional. Hardware understands only binary data or digits, 0 and 1 in the form of voltage pulses. While software tells the hardware everything in the form of binary data or digits, that is, zeros and ones only. Dependency. Hardware cannot do any task without a software instructing it. Hardware cannot do any task without a software instructing it, while a software cannot execute if underlying hardware is not present. So it means both are independent. False. Hardware faults are physical, while software faults are logical. Tangible. Hardware can be touched, being a physical electronic device, so we can say that it's a tangible. Software, being digital, can be seen but cannot be touched, so this is said to be a intangible. Categories. Hardware has some categories like input devices, output devices, storage devices, internal components of CPU and motherboard. Also, software has some categories like programming software, application software, and operating system. Virus impacts on both. Hardware remains unaffected by viruses, while software is affected by virus being a primary target. Digital transfer. Hardware can be only physically transferred. Only can be physically transferred. Software can be transferred electronically, like by email, etc. Replacement. If hardware gets damaged, it is replaced with new one. If software gets damaged, it is reinstalled. Some of the examples of hardware are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, CPU, hard disk, RAM, any mechanical part is said to be a hardware, while software, like we have MS Office, Google Chrome, VLC player, um, different types of game like PUBG, Counter Strike, etc. These are all types of software. We have also different types of software. So basically, we have divided the software into two parts: system software and application software. System software is further divided in operating system, utility program, device drives, language translator, and the same as application have also subtypes: basic application software and specialized application software. Today we will discuss the system software and application software types of software. System software are set of programs that operate and control the computer system. System software are set of programs that operate and control the computer system, support the development of other application software like developing of different apps for Android, support the execution of other application software like running of MS Office on Windows, monitor the efficient use of various hardware resources like RAM, hard drive, etc., communicate with and control the operation of peripheral devices like scanner, etc. Some of the examples are as shown. We have any type of operating system. We can say that these are system software like we have Windows 7, XP, Windows 8, Android, iOS, etc. These are all Linux. These are all a system software. Application software. Application software. It is a type of software that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is not limited to one particular function. It helps to solve the problem in real world. Application software, also called end user program, are merely an application. It resides above system software. The end user uses application software for a specific purpose. It programs for simple as well as complex tasks. It either be installed or accessed online. It can be a single program or a group of small programs that referred to as an application suite. Application software can be used by the user to complete specific tasks, such as creating documentation on MS Word, playing game on PUBG, Counter Strike, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, VLC, etc. Like Mozilla Firefox, we have multiple types of application software that we are using in our daily life. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.